we're going to be zhuzhing these up and blinging them up tonight. All right, so let's get to getting. Let's take this one first. I think I'm going to do this one first. I really, really like this one. Today I took a little cross that I had. It's a patch actually, and it's gold. And I took the gold, smaller stones like the SS8, maybe SS6, and I took them and I just blinged it out in gold. Okay, it's got like little fleur-de-lis here and here and here and here, but right at the ends of the cross, I did those in a different color, so they kind of stand out. But look at that sparkle. Isn't that pretty, you guys? It's just beautiful. So I'm gonna zhuzh up this card tonight with this. Anyway, went through my stuff, my stash. Now I have this little frame, this little, it's kind of old farmhouse looking, like old worn wood. And I'm gonna just frame this card out in this on the front and give it more, a little bit more. Okay, so all you gotta do is go around the card just like this with the double-sided tape. Pretty easy, right? And it will cover up some of the sparkle just a little bit, not a lot. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna place this right on top here. I don't want to see any of the, I don't want to see any of the tape. Okay, that. And I'm going to trim it with the scissors. Okay, this is what we got so far. All right, I'm going to take this pretty beautiful gold cross that I blinged out earlier today, and I'm going to lay it right kind of at an angle here, and I'm going to just put some glue on it. I could use the other glue, but I'm going to just go ahead because I have this handy. I didn't do what I normally do, which is plug in my glue gun. So we're going to make do without the glue gun tonight. We don't need it, I don't think. And I'm just going to I'm not going to cover the flag. I'm going to very carefully place this just up above, right next to the flag, just like that. Okay, just like that. All right, so it's already looking bling-ish right now. I've got this red, white, and blue striped ribbon, okay? And, you know what? I should have put it on here first. Back up, Susie. I'm going to put a little bead of glue on here and just put it right across the top of this card, the one I already did. And I'll show you where I blinged it and how I blinged it. I did it with the heat set tool, and I really like that, I got to tell you. I really do. I'm just going to put it up at the top of this card. I'm going to just peel back that fleur-de-lis and put that right under there. There we go. Right at the end, and I'll trim it up. And what I did is in each star, I put a little bling, and I heat set it on there. See that? Right in between the star there, I put a little bit of bling. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this so that it doesn't hang over. Cut it on this side. And trim it up on this side. So. All right, now I'm going to show you how I did it. On this one, it's going to go on the bottom. See? So what you do is I need my my little applicator here, this little Rhinestone Applicator, which I love. It's so pretty. It is so pretty. Okay, so what we're going to do is I have a bunch of these little stones kind of in this, it's like a mixture of stones here, and I just picked out the deep blue ones, and I also used, which one did did I use? It was the Aurora Borealis size. I think I used the SS16, I'm pretty sure. I'm just gonna lay them out here. Okay, and now this is nice and hot, okay? So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my little tool here, okay? And on the blue stars, I'm gonna put the Aurora Borealis, the sparkle one, right in the middle of the blue star, like that. Just like that. Take the little heat set tool and put it right over top of it and hold for 15 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to take the little applicator here. I'm going to grab up the little blue ones that I used. They're kind of like a little bit like a teal blue, but they look really pretty on this white against the white. They have an Aurora Borealis look to them as well. And I just think the red, white, and blue, it looks pretty. A little bit of E6000 across the bottom. And it just dresses it up and makes it pretty. This is a fun project. And so now it's looking a little blingier, a little fancier, right? We're going to take a bit of this glue. Applicator. It's called jelly glue. I'm going to put some of these different colors of bling here to make it look like it's just popping, you know? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add like little dots here and there. Just random dots of the glue. I'm going to take the applicator and we are going to apply. Just going to do 5 or 6 at a time. The little system I have. All right, there we go. Isn't that pretty? So easy, right? And you can take. Okay, so that's our first one, you guys. I'm going to set this one aside. This is one that's right here. See this one with the little dog tags on there? I think that is so sweet. I want to bling that dog tag up. And then I have another from my scrapbooking. I didn't even realize I had this. It's actually like a real dog tag that you would put on like a scrapbook page or something like that. It's got a little sticky on the back, you know, a peel and stick. I'm going to take it right off this chain because it looks like it has a chain already on there, you know, in the print. I'm take it right off this chain, and let me tell you what it says. It says, "Together in Spirit," which I just think that's sweet. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go right up here and have it hanging like off of here, kind of off to the side. It says "Thank you," and I'm going to bling that dog tag in the middle with, I want to do the clear crystal in. I'm just going to pour a few out of the SS16, just like that. Don't need many. And I'm gonna lay them out here. I'm wondering if I could do it. Just, you know what? I'm just gonna take a little E6000 here and spread it around this dog tag, just because I got it sitting here. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead with the little pen and pick up these gems all around. Look at how easy that was, right? I love this. I'm going to go ahead and peel this off if it will. All right. I don't want it covering up the letter U, but I want it on there well enough. Just like that. Together in spirit. How easy was that? Look at it, boom, right? And I would like to do in between where the stripes are white, I'm going to do those in the clear stones as well. SS16, these will be SS12 clear crystals. Going right into your container like that and get to blinging. Look at all that bling. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous, right? A little bit more to do. We've got the K and the Y and the U to do. Something, you know? Look at how pretty that shines. Can you guys see how that shimmers and shines? Just so beautiful. Love it. Love it, love it. And I want to put a little bow. It says USA. I'm going to put a little bit of E6000 on the back of this bow right here. Let it just chillax and do its thing over here. Sweet, just like that. What do we got here? I'm going to go with one more. I've got 5 cards. I'm only going to do 3 tonight. Okay, I'm going to do this little farmhouse truck because I think it's so cute. I want to put where the stars are. I want to put some bling in there. Okay, and what I've done is I've chosen 3 pieces of Totally Dazzled brooches to go up here. So I'm going to put this on first. And then I'm going to go ahead and do some blinging down here and let these just kind of dry a little bit. So I went in my stash and I found this. There's I can get them out. Come on. Some sparkles. What do you call fireworks? That's what I'm trying to say. That, you know, like coming out of the truck. This has got a little bit of dynamite in there. We're going to add that too, because why not, right? It's got a little sticky thing on the back. Yeah, I know, right? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this down and I'm going to add the bling right over it, just like this. So it's going to look like blingy fireworks coming right on out of that truck bed. That going on. All right, now I'm going to take some of the white, the clear crystal, the smaller ones. I want to put a smaller one in the middle of those stars there. There we go. I just took it and just kicked it up a notch. It's so pretty. All right, yeah, I think I'm gonna just keep these out and go around the wheels. This card here, I was gonna put something on it. Grand old flag. I have these little stickers. It says Grand Old Flag. That's why I had them sitting out there to remind me. this, you guys. Isn't that sweet? Look at all that. It's a lot of bling going on, you guys. A lot of blinging. Open it up. That one, I think this one might be my favorite. I love this with the little dog tags. I think it's really cute. That one. And then the one with the cross. I don't like that one too. The Grand Old Flag. I think that's really sweet. So we got all 3 of them. Can you see them? Like that.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.